Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a Peugeot 3008. Now the car has a few different variants of the car. Sometimes you don't get the top screen on the Peugeot, sometimes it's just you either get a large radio down below or a thin radio with storage space above it, just below the camera here, down on obviously the floating dash down here. But the customer had previously the screen, and at the moment he had some issues with it. Just wanted to change it over, wanted an update, so he's gone for this model. It's the HV5738 on our website. It comes with 3 different models you can purchase. So Model A comes with the 2 DIN, which you put down below here. Model B, which is this one today, and Model C, which is another one. But if you're not too sure which one to go for, just check the picture gallery in the picture on the sale page. It'll show you which one to go for. So a couple of little bugbears with me with this one here today. So I think being the first time that the factory released it to us, it hasn't been out that long. It's 2 bugbears with me sort of thing. One's resolvable, one isn't. Sometimes you don't have an option, so if your radio's broken, you're looking to change it over, or if you don't mind it. But I think personally the frame on this one here, this frame is made for left-hand drive cars. Only reason being is because see this gap here, it's like about a 5mm gap underneath here. You can use a bit of resin to stick it down, but again, there's no other options on the market. So obviously if your car's screen's broken, you want to change it, then obviously just bear that in mind. Also, another one which is resolvable, is a bit of a pain for me, obviously being a perfectionist selling these units, is the screen's quite far back. So if you're familiar with your dash being a Peugeot 3008, you know the screen is obviously the dash is quite vast and goes quite deep into the windscreen, so this is quite far back. But the thing that's obviously like a way around it is basically because you get a little thin CD panel. Sorry, it's not a CD panel, it's a panel with buttons on, so the one it comes with is actually installed further on down below. We'll put some pictures into the video just to show you what it is. So it actually comes with a navi button, band, setup, dim, volume button, so you can adjust your volume. 1 second. So that was my missus calling me there. Great time to call. Okay, so yeah, it comes with a panel down below. So it's basically got a navi, the radio button, setup, dim, and some. So if I was to press band, you can take you to the radio app there. So you can control it with the buttons down below, as you can see it here. Then I can control it down there. It also works with the steering wheel controls. That's another thing. So that works with that too, which is a good thing. But again, just with this being a bit further on back, some functionality of if you wanted to get like. Pressing the touchscreen for like YouTube and Netflix and stuff like that, then obviously, well, you shouldn't be doing when you're driving anyway. But I'd say if you want to do it, you do have to reach over quite a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what the screen's got. So this is the home page. This is the HV version, which has got an 8-core processor, 64 gig as standard. You can change the skin interface here if you want. You've also comes with built-in, I think it has Google Maps setup. So that's already included on that one there. But you can download any others from the Play Store here. Which will do that. So obviously if I was to play, 1 second, go back here, if I was to play Navi there, then obviously there's your Google Maps. Got your radio, which I showed you a couple of moments ago. It's got your Bluetooth here, which obviously you take your phone calls through it. It's got music streaming. It's also got capabilities of putting music and videos onto a pen drive, and you can play it through here. So obviously this might have a little demo one on there, just bear with us 1 second. See if there's anything on there I can show you, shared HD quality. Nope, factory sometimes put a little demo on there so you can see how it works and stuff. Going over here is your application center. So obviously this one here, which I showed a short while ago, which is your CarPlay app. So obviously when I started the video, it had the CarPlay connected with my phone, and this tends to bring over your phone, any maps from your phone, music apps, text messaging apps from here. As you can see, I've got some music apps there, and see it's nice and swift. Obviously got the 8-core processor. And then let's go back over to here. 1 second, go back out. So go back onto here, and then it's got obviously, so you can stick. It's got aux input, so it's basically if you want to stick like a TV box through it. A couple of little browser apps there, File Manager. There's your Play Store app there. So if you want to log into the Play Store, you can log into there and download all your apps from there. You can put your IPTV on it. Let's have a little vehicle settings app. So obviously it's just stuff down here. Now when people always ask us, has it got this, has it got that, in terms of your menus on there, so we have to be dead careful because it might have like 99% of all the original settings and it might be missing one. So if someone says to us, has it got the car computer settings, we go, yeah, but we don't say that. We prefer just to show you what's on there, just so you can see what's on there yourself. Also, you can change like your MFD display from like kilometers to miles per hour through all this here. Let's go back out to here. There's your whole mileage. Look at that one there. Air conditioning control. There's your fans. I don't think these operate. They tend to only work when you remove the original button panels, and because you keep the original button panels down below, they tend to just stick as a touchscreen. It's just visual only, so you can't really interact with it. But if you do change, let me have a little look. If you change the, see the way that's changing on the temperature on the left, that's only because I'm turning the dials down below. So if you do press, let's have a little look, see I'm turning the fans off just bar below. So it does show you on there, it does link with your actions down below, but obviously you can't press the touchscreen with it. That's it. Let me have a little look at that. That's a good thing. That feature there, we did a diagnostics on the car, which we do quite often on cars when we do the installs, and it came up with a fault code from fog lamps on the actual diagnostics tool. It's actually showing it there, so that's a good thing and all. Yeah, okay, let's have a look at this. Unlock buttons, amplifier settings, select model. I don't think you need to play around with that one there. And this one here just takes you back into the screen here. Let's have a little look at what else is in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest with you. Here's the back end settings here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. But as I say, just bear in mind this little 5mm gap down here. You can probably use a bit of resin if you want to stick it down, but obviously it's going to be hard to do that. So if you do go for this one, just remember that there. As I say, it might be too much of something for you to handle anyway, but I'd rather be truthful with you. Obviously you're going through all the experience of trying to fit it and then not knowing about it. So hope you liked the video. We'll put the link down below to our sale page, all our contact details and stuff like that. So if you want to give us a shout out, give us any questions and stuff like that, feel free to get in touch. Okay, take care, bye bye.